to consume the disk space, right? Enter
Welcome
Y.
back to Kodemine.
So I have entered
Karrie
so
here.
it will take some
So in
time
this
to
video,
download
we
the
will
package
talk
from
about
internet,
how we can
right?
install PHP in
So
Linux
and
operating
after
system.
that
Currently,
we
I
will
have
restart
Ubuntu
the Apache and see that
16.04
whether the
LTS
PHP has been
version, which
installed
is
or
64
not.
bit. So we have various way by which we can install PHP in
This will take
Linux,
few
right?
seconds.
One way
So
is
we are
to
about to
install
complete
using Apache server. Another way is the install using
and we will see that
using
whether our
Nginx,
PHP is working or not.
and
So
another
you guys
one
can
is the
see here
using PHP extension, right?
that
So here we will try
our
with the install using Apache. So for the
file
first
is
step is
installed now into our system.
using
It's about
command
to
sudo
complete
apt install php lib apache
and
2 hyphen mode hyphen php.
we will
So we
see
will go
that
into the terminal
whether
and
that
here we will
so we
have
guys can see
execute this command
whether
like
our Apache
already
has
I
been
have
working
executed
or not,
and it
right?
will ask for
So
the
we can
password.
how
Right?
can we do that?
So you need
We
to
can
give
write
the
down command
password. Once you give
systemctl
the password, it will download the package
and
and it will
service
ask for you to consume the disk
not
space,
service
right? Enter Y. So I have entered. So it will take
status
some time to
Apache
download the package
2.
from internet.
So you guys can see
Right?
Apache web server is
So
not
and
running.
after
Why
that,
not running? Because
we will
restart
the Apache and see that whether the
engine
PHP has been installed
is
or
already
not.
running here.
Right? So I need to stop
So
this will take few seconds.
so I will stop
So
this.
we are about to complete.
So my
And
I have stopped.
we will see
Nginx.
that
Whether our
so
PHP
to
is
stop
working or
that
not.
I will go to
So
with
you
the
guys
sudo
can see
command
here
and I will check the
that
status. What is the status?
or
It is stopped now. So I will now try
file
to
is
start Apache. Installed now into our system. It's about to complete. Or if you guys have
and
already Apache installed,
we will see that
right?
whether
So
that
you guys can
start with
so
the
we guys can see whether our
Apache.
Apache has been working
So
or
we can
not,
see the Apache.
right?
Apache is
So
running
we
now,
can
right?
how can we
You
do
guys
that?
can see now
We can
Apache
write down
is
command
running here.
system
So
ctl.
I'm going out
And I am trying to
and service
run my local machine. Here I am.
not service.
Here I am in my local machine.
Status
How I
Apache
will do
2.
that?
So you guys can
I
see
will go
Apache
120
web server is not
here
running.
you
Why
guys can
not running?
see
Because my engine is already
so
running
you guys
here,
can see now
right?
we are
So I
getting
need to stop
our
this.
PHP page here, right? We are able
So
to
I will stop
run
this.
now Apache and we can see here
So my
php-v. So you guys can see now the
I have
PHP has
stopped
been installed
Nginx.
into our system.
So
Right?
to stop that,
So
I
we
will
have a
go
various way to
with the
install
sudo command
and I
PHP,
will
right?
check the
We have
status
what is
using
the
Apache,
status?
using
It is
Nginx,
stopped now.
and
So
we
I
have
will
a
now try
PHP
to
extension.
start
So my
Apache.
recommendation, you can use any way. I have already installation
Or
with
if you
Nginx,
guys
so
have
I
already
prefer Apache,
Apache
right?
installed,
So if you guys are facing any
right?
issue,
So you guys can
any trouble
start
you are
with the
facing during the installation, you guys can comment
Apache.
into the comment box. We will
So
reach
we
you
can
out
see the
and try to
Apache.
sort out
Apache
your
is running
problem.
now, right?
Thanks for
You guys
watching.
can
Please
see
do
now
like,
Apache
share,
is
comment
running here.
and subscribe our
So
channel.
I'm going
Thank
out
you. And I am trying to run my local machine. Here I am. Here I am in my local machine. How I will do that? I will go 120 and here you guys can see. Yeah. So you guys can see now we are getting our PHP page here, right? We are able to run now Apache and we can see here php-v. So you guys can see now the PHP has been installed into our system, right? So we have a various way to install PHP, right? We have a using Apache, using Nginx, and we have a PHP extension. So my recommendation, you can use any way. I have already installation with Nginx, so I prefer Apache, right? So if you guys are facing any issue, any trouble you are facing during the installation, you guys can comment into the comment box. We will reach you out and try to sort out your problem. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.